The hydraulic pallet truck is powerful and does not fear heavy pressure. The whole vehicle is thickened and reinforced, durable and more resistant. One-piece coast rocker, integrated casting cylinder, upgraded double oil seal structure, thickened stainless steel springs, strong elasticity, wear-resistant caters for different scenarios. Nylon wheels, low resistance, high wear resistance, high hardness, polyurethane wheels, high quiet, protective ground, anti-slip and wear resistant. Multi-layer composite forks are compressive and deformation resistant. The surface is painted 4.00 mm, 3.75 mm without painting. The auxiliary climbing wheel easily cope with both uphill and downhill slopes. All-terrain design, speed bumps, slope ground, easy to pass. For stiffeners, 75 cm without fear of heavy pressure. Ease of use is the only way to do more with less.